Alright, welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 58, the FX Maverick in 22. So I'm at one of my other permissions, and it's the 19th, and I come out, and they're the starlings, so I go ahead and line up on this guy and drop him. And he tumbles off the roof and falls right there. That's a nice shot. That's probably about a 40-yarder. And I walk in and spot this guy. Go ahead and take him out, but after I first miss on my first shot, just to give him a warning, and I get him before he leaves. I have no idea why I missed. And it fell in somewhere with the ladies. Can't see with all those hooves around who's got what by what. Spot these guys, go ahead and line up on them. That one stayed around a little bit too long. I'm able to go ahead and take him out. And some of them come back around and land. So I go ahead and line up on this guy up on the I-beam. Go ahead and take him out. And I spot this guy playing peekaboo with me. Thinks he's okay, but he's not. So he falls. And with the ladies as well. These guys sitting up there nice on that angle iron. I go ahead and take him out. He does a little hop before he does his swan dive. Go outside to spot this starling. So I go ahead and line up on him. Able to take him out. This guy's walking back and forth. Finally settles down, so I go ahead and take him out. Farmer's in the middle of, or in the process of replacing all the barn siding, so that's why you see that big light where I'm aiming at. So I just shot that one, and he flew where the siding was now missing, and I was wondering if I had actually gotten him and had he fallen or not. And so I'm walking to the end of the barn. I'm going to go ahead and turn around and look, and looky there. There the little guy lays. So kitty cats were going to get breakfast today, so I'm sure they were happy. Next I step out and spot this guy up on the roof, so I go ahead and take him out. Nice sparrow shot. These guys are up there, so meeny, miny, Joe on the right. Take him out. Drop him. The rest of his buddies take off. Some of them stick around. So I go ahead and line up on this guy. Oh, I guess I changed my mind. Line up on that guy. Take him out first. Drop him. He's definitely not going anywhere. Now I go back up to the top. This guy's just not sitting there long enough, so wasn't able to get him. But now I go back to where that other one was. They're still sitting there. So I go ahead up and line up on him, and I drop him. Spot these guys. That guy way in the corner, you can barely see him. But drop him. And again, I'm shooting the H&N Hunters at 850 feet per second with the 22 FX Maverick, which works really good in that gun. That guy was probably only like 30 yards away, so that was an easy one. Got another 3 up on top. Go ahead and line up on this guy. Take him out. And drop him. That guy stayed there. Okay. Don't have to tell me twice. And I drop him. And there he is. He's waving to us saying, goodbye. It's been nice meeting you. spot this starling, go ahead and take him out. It's a nice day for starlings. And I'm back in the barn. Again, you see that big open area, that's the siding is gone. So he's replacing a number of them. And no, it wasn't because I shot holes in the siding. So don't be thinking that's why he was doing it. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So many targets. I'm not sure if I got that guy or not. I think I did, but I'm not sure. So it's like, okay, go up to that guy. That one was a definite hit. This guy came up on top, so I went on and lined up on him. I'm not sure if he landed in that corner, and that's where he expired or not, but here's this nice white one. So I go ahead and shoot it, and it falls in with the ladies right there. They aren't too enthused with their guest. They kind of ignore them. That looks like a flat out miss. How does that even happen? Spot this guy. Can barely see him, but he's there. And I take him out. That was a nice shot because he was not easy to spot. So I was happy with that. Dude, you're not going anywhere. And the kitty cats are going to get you here anyways. Spot this guy. He looks like he's just getting ready to leave, and I'm able to get him before he flies away. Here's another one that lands in with the ladies. And there he is. This guy gets up on top, so I go ahead and take him. And he lands down with the ladies. These guys are all up in the corner again. So I'll line up on the closest one. I'm able to take him out. Other one stayed there. I line up on him. Drop him right where he's sitting. That's a nice shot. This guy's walking on the I-beams. Thinks he's going to be getting ready to take off. And not so much. And then the last shot of this video, he's up there on the top, the roof. Go ahead and take him, and this PARD just picks that up so well. You can see obviously the blood is dropping out of him. So that was a good shot. Took him. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and hoping that you all have a very Merry Christmas.